To make sponge cake,
Grease the baking pan with butter or oil. I used a 24 centimeters round pan.
Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius.
Separate 4 eggs.
Add 2 tablespoons or 1/8 cup of raw sugar to the egg whites and whip till stiff peaks are formed.
To the egg yolks, add
1/2 cup raw sugar,
1 tablespoon oil or melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup milk, beat till it turns pale yellow in color. Take 1/2 cup minus 1/8 cup, or 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. One-quarter cup or 4 tablespoons of corn flour, or you can use 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cake flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Sift and add to the egg yolk mix. Mix with a hand whisk or with an electric beater at the lowest speed. Make sure not to overbeat. Fold in the whipped egg whites. Pour the batter into the greased baking pan.
Bake at 170 degrees Celsius in the preheated oven for 30 minutes or till done.
Check if the toothpick inserted at the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool. For saffron milk, take 2 cups of whole milk. (125 ml) cream and condensed milk according to the required sweetness, approx 1/4 to 1/3 cup. Mix and heat. Crush the saffron strands.
Mix the saffron with some hot milk and pour to the milk mix.
Mix well and bring to boil. Allow it to cool. Prick the cake with fork.
Pour half of the saffron milk over the cake.
Cover and refrigerate for a few hours so that the milk is absorbed by the cake. Refrigerate the other half of the saffron milk to pour on top. While serving, whip 250 milliliters of whipping cream with condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Spread on the top of the cake. Decorate with silvered pistachios,
Dried rose petals.
and saffron strands. It tastes better the next day. Pour more saffron milk on top while serving.